please connect the power supply, the probe, and the keyboard before starting. Now, click the login. Entering the function screen. If you need to save data, please select Member. If you do not need to save, you can click Non-Member for quick analysis. Entering the member emphasis. You need to click the Add Member first to add the identity information. The number, the name, and sex, age are required. Save the information. Now, click Analysis. Pick up the probe. There are two modes and a freeze button. When the light is on, it means you are in the working state. Red light, abdominal pattern. Green light, demo pattern. This knob adjusts the sharpness when you're shooting, according to the need to choose the right pattern. Start skinning. Turn on the right light and aim at the scalp. Shooting. And now you can select the photo to make images contrast. Up to 4 images can be compared. After that, you can click the ear follicle. You can find a lot of cases about hair and scalp analysis.